Hey everyone, this is Sahil Malhotra, Principal Attorney at Drishi Law. A slogan is often underrated in its ability to create a brand experience. According to the Trademark Manual of Examination and Procedure, a slogan is an attention-getting phrase that is used to advertise or promote a product. Simply put, a slogan can be a permanent extension of your brand's long-term mission or purpose. And today I'm going to share with you 5 things you should keep in mind while developing the slogan for your brand or company. Number 1, is your slogan already in use? You cannot imagine the number of applications that get rejected daily because a slogan or a variation of it is already in use. You can avoid a lot of pain in the development process of a slogan by hiring a trademark attorney who will perform a comprehensive search and clearance, which will allow you to see if your slogan or a variation of it that might affect the registrability of your slogan is already in use. Number 2, is your slogan or phrase merely descriptive? A slogan, like any other trademark, cannot be merely descriptive. A slogan is deemed merely descriptive if it describes a feature, function, quality, characteristic, or purpose of a good or service. For example, world's best bagels would be considered merely descriptive for a bagel shop. Number 3, is your slogan or phrase generic? Generic trademarks are common terms used to describe a product or service. Similar to being merely descriptive, a generic trademark usually describes the product or service, so no one can register them as trademarks. For example, if you wanted to open up a shoe store, you couldn't trademark the term shoe because it is a generic term that describes the product you are selling. Number 4, your slogan or phrase should be memorable and capable of distinguishing your goods and services from another source. A slogan should allow the consumer to peek into what your company or brand is all about. For example, Disneyland's slogan, "Happiest Place on Earth," clearly encapsulates what one might expect when visiting one of Disney's many parks. Or Nike's "Just Do It," simple but effective in creating an action-oriented lifestyle and how they can be a part of it. Or maybe one of my favorites, "Our blades are fucking great. Shave time, shave money" by Dollar Shave Club. A crass but attention-getting way of clearly promoting the convenience of buying cheaper blades. Lastly, is your slogan geographically descriptive of the goods and services that you provide? For example, the phrase "the Nashville Network" was deemed primarily geographically descriptive of television programming and distribution services that originate out of Nashville, Tennessee. These are some, but not all, of the few things you should keep in mind when developing a slogan for your brand or company. Registering a trademark is not always easy, but I can help. If you have any questions or need assistance in getting your slogan registered as a trademark, please feel free to book a consultation through the number or link provided below.